Mannat, the bungalow where Shah Rukh and family live, has been covered with plastic sheets due to the ongoing monsoon season and a picture has gone viral. इस राजमहल का नाम मन्नत है, ये हम SRKians की जन्नत है, tweeted an SRK fan along with a viral photo of the actor's bungalow covered in sheets. Some fans are also busy speculating why the actor has covered his house with plastic. Today picture of Mannat fully covered with plastic, what's happening? Any guesses? Tweeted another fan. Mannat is one of the most popular tourist destinations of Mumbai, where you can almost always see a bunch of die-hard Shah Rukh Khan fans hanging around in front of clicking selfies at the bungalow's gate and with the nameplate and hoping to catch a glimpse of their favorite star. Shah Rukh is presently living under quarantine at home along with his family amid the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. Actress Swara Bhaskar says the family of late actor Sushant Singh Rajput deserves an apology for the way his name has been dragged into various arguments. Had an introspective moment, I think we owe Sushant Singh Rajput's family an apology for the number of times they must have read his name in our arguments. This is not about us, Swara wrote on Twitter. Sushant has a release coming up. Let's celebrate the memory of the bright life we lost. Let's be kind, she added. On June 14, Sushant was found hanging in his Bandra residence by his domestic help, which left his fans shocked. He was reportedly battling depression over the past few months and undergoing treatment. Sushant's demise sparked off discussions around a lot of things, from nepotism to the ruthless way of Bollywood power camps to the culture of blind items. Actress and former beauty queen Urvashi Rautela reveals how she went for a method approach to bring alive her latest role. For the title role of her new film Virgin Bhanupriya, Urvashi gained 7 kilos. As an actor, her challenge was primarily physical, mental and emotional, she says. For the character of Bhanupriya, I gained 7 kilos, which is 15.432 pounds, and I would say preparation is as much as an actor's job as a performance itself. Because Bhanupriya's physicality, speech or persona was vastly different from my own. As an actor, my challenge was primarily physical, mental, emotional and even vocal, Urvashi said. The actress added that she truly wanted to imbibe the traits of her screen avatar Bhanupriya. Virgin Bhanupriya also features Gautam Gulati, Archana Puran Singh, Delnaz Irani, Rajiv Gupta and Brijendra Kala, Nikki Aneja Walia and Romana Molla. Actress Vani Kapoor is currently gearing up for her upcoming film Bell Bottom. The actress was recently snapped outside Pooja Entertainment Studio in Juhu. Vani was present there for a photo shoot. Dressed in blue top and denim jeans, Vani looked beautiful. The film Bell Bottom is inspired by true events. The film is set in 1980s. The story is about one of India's forgotten heroes. Directed by Ranjit M. Tiwari, the film is scheduled to go on floors later this year. It is written by Asim Arora and Parveez Sheikh. Bell Bottom is scheduled to release on April 2, 2021. Actress Vidya Balan is gearing up for the release of her upcoming film Shakuntala Devi. The actress was recently snapped in Mumbai. Vidya looked beautiful in pink sari paired up with yellow blouse. Actor Aditya Roy Kapoor too was snapped in the city outside Sunny Super Sound office. Aditya kept it casual yet stylish in blue and white shirt and grey pants. On the work front, Vidya's upcoming film Shakuntala Devi will be releasing on Amazon Prime Video on 31st of July, and Aditya's film Ludo will be releasing on Netflix.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.